Unleashing the power of VidIQ. Unlock discounts and propel your YouTube channel. Unlocking exclusive discounts. Discovering the perfect VidIQ promo code is the key to enjoying substantial discounts on VidIQ's premium account. Here's a curated list of promo codes ranging from 35% to a whopping 100% off. 100% off promo codes, think NewTubers. 50% off promo codes, VidCon, may the views be with you, level up, let's get you started. 35% off promo code, welcome 35 special offer. Use promo code NITRO for a 35% discount on VidIQ Pro for 3 months. How to redeem your promo code. Unlocking these discounts is a breeze. Simply follow these steps. Click on any promo code of your choice. You will be directed to the VidIQ website. Navigate to the pricing section. Choose VidIQ Pro pricing. Log in with your Google account or create a new VidIQ account. Apply the promo code during the payment process. Unlocking YouTube success. A comprehensive review of VidIQ and exclusive promo codes. Embark on your journey to YouTube success with VidIQ and these exclusive promo codes. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting, VidIQ's features and discounts make it an invaluable tool for channel growth. Don't miss out on the opportunity to propel your content to new heights. Ready, set, VidIQ. Accelerating your channel growth with VidIQ. VidIQ isn't just about discounts, it's a powerhouse for growing your YouTube channel exponentially. With features such as a robust keyword research tool, video tag optimization, channel analytics, and competitor analysis, VidIQ empowers you to amplify your content and visibility.